Assalamu alaikum, friends. Welcome to the channel, Top Skill Trainers. If you're hearing the buzz around blockchain development and wondering what it actually means, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break down how blockchain works, what a blockchain developer does, and how you can get started in this exciting field. What is blockchain? Let's start with the basics. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that allows data to be stored across a network of computers in a secure, transparent, and tamper-proof way. Each piece of data is stored in a block. Once a block is full, it links to the previous block, forming a chain, hence the name blockchain. The key technical features of blockchain are decentralization. No single server or authority controls the data. Immutability. Once data is written to a block, it cannot be changed. Consensus mechanisms, like proof of work or proof of stake to validate transactions. Blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon are programmable, which is where developers come in. Who is a blockchain developer? A blockchain developer is someone who builds applications on top of a blockchain network. There are typically two types of blockchain developers. Core blockchain developers. They work on the architecture, consensus protocols, and network security of blockchain platforms. Smart contract developers/DApp developers. They build decentralized applications and write smart contracts using languages like Solidity or Rust. They must understand how blockchains work internally, how to write secure smart contracts, how to connect front-end apps to the blockchain using Web3 libraries like Ethers.js or Web3.js. What tools and languages do you need? To get started with blockchain development, here's what you need to learn. Solidity for Ethereum-based smart contracts, Hardhat or Truffle, development environments, JavaScript/TypeScript for front-end and Web3 interaction, Ethers.js or Web3.js to connect blockchain with front-end, Ganache to run a local Ethereum test blockchain, IPFS for decentralized file storage, optional but powerful, Rust for Solana, Substrate for building custom blockchains with Polkadot. How to learn blockchain development? Here's a roadmap you can follow. Learn the fundamentals. Understand cryptography, consensus, decentralization. Learn Solidity. Start with beginner-friendly platforms like CryptoZombies.io build projects, smart contracts, NFT minting apps, DeFi clones. Join communities. Use GitHub, Discord, Twitter. Follow projects like Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche. Stay updated. This field evolves fast. Follow blogs, attend virtual hackathons. Blockchain is more than crypto. It's a revolutionary technology. If you start now, you'll be ahead of the curve. If you found this helpful, like the video, drop your questions in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into Web3 development.